Hello guys, it is me, Tracy, Scratch Kitchen, with an unboxing.
And a cat.
And a cat, yes. Okay, before I start, let me say this. This is my opinion on the Walmart delivery alone, okay? I'm not going to make a dime if you decide to do this. I will tell you this. I am very happy with the speed. I ordered this stuff on Tuesday. I didn't really expect it till like Friday because there was New Year's in between. So, and it's here Thursday. Do you mind if I commence with the opening of the boxes?
Wait, don't try to go down with an open knife.
Unfortunately, I had to pay for name brand flour. Not happy about that one, Walmart. For whatever reason, I can have the Wal-Mart Brand Sugar delivered, but not their flour. I don't know the history of that. I don't know the reasoning behind it. I just know I don't like it. Oh yeah. We've got mashed potatoes in the house. Now, I got 3 of these, okay? Now, we're going to talk about this year about food shortages coming and a major downgrade in the quality of food. Go to Danny at Deep South Homestead. The video he did for Tuesday is fantastic. He talked about it. Great guy. Alright, we get all these. I'm going to have to okay, they turned my sugar upside down. Another thing, make sure you get pure cane sugar, okay? I seen somebody post on Danny's video from yesterday that they went to, I think it was Costco or Sam's. Got a huge bag of Domino sugar and it was anything but sugar. It was powder, it was disgusting.
There goes the cat.
Yeah, there goes the gatita. The pushka. Now, this one's going to be a little bit more fun.
Let me see the knife.
Alright. Oh, the gift giving is easy. Load for quick gift.
A free gift card.
Whatever. Anyway, I got this makeup. Rimmel. Like, a little under $3. And the thing you've been waiting for, Antonia. Let me go get my out. She's been wanting one for a very long time. And now she's got one. I got these here for $8. I got 3 of them. Which means I have 6 bags of stuffing. Again, we're going to put a couple back. We'll put like 2 of these back. Because I've got a whole bunch of mashed instant potatoes from Kroger. And they have their sale. A great sale. Alright, and like I said, I had to get Pilsbury flour. Whatever reason, I can have Wal-Mart sugar delivered. Like this. But not their flour. Gotta work on that, Walmart. Alright, this is it, y'all. I overall am happy with the time of the delivery. I've got to find my cat, so she doesn't end up in the garbage. This, I don't know, I don't understand why we need so much plastic to put in our oceans, but
it kills the salmon.
Anyway, I think I will do this again. Now remember, with Walmart, you guys spend $35 or more for free shipping. There are some things that are next day available. If your order has everything that's next day available, shipping, you will get everything that way. Now, if you get something that is not next day or 2-day delivery, it kind of cancels that out. But, other than not being able to get Walmart flour delivered, I'm happy.
And so is the cat.
And so is the cat, as, yes, you can see her little head here. Want to say goodbye? No, she wants to get in this other box. Go for it. Go big or go home, cat. I will see you guys later.